if you look at the founder, some of the women who've been involved with it, there is both that light and their substance, and there is that sense of warmth that surrounds us. It is both a place that fosters beauty and truth and voice. Like this becomes a place where artists can meet and artists can interface with their audiences. For a poet, that means a circle of listeners, a circle of sisters in writing,